Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you all the Kirby parts and what they are used for. Okay, so here we have the tool Caddy. This is to carry all the Kirby parts in it. Okay, so here we have the suction control grip. This also opens and closes up. This is used on delicate items such as curtains. Here we have the duster brush. This is for any dust around the house. Can be used on toys or skirting boards. Here we have the air intake guard. This is great for blowing leaves, inflating balloons and mattresses. This is the crevice tool with replacement brush. This replacement brush can also come out if so. This can be used for hard to reach places, such as sliding doors and window rails. This big fella is the zip brush. This can be used for pet hair and also loosens any dirt and debris. Here we have the portable sprayer. And we also have the portable shampoo cap, which attaches to the portable sprayer. Now, the portable sprayer is great for painting, and if you want to attach the portable shampoo cap, it is great for deep cleaning and using soap suds. Here we have the inflator deflator tool. This is used to inflate toys, mattresses or any pressure inflatable items. Here we have the portable handle. This lifts up the Kirby system so you can reach high places and clean mattresses and bedding if so. Here we have the surface nozzle. This is great for bare floor and low pile carpet cleaning. Here we have the wall and ceiling brush, which of course is great for cleaning walls and ceilings with. This little fella is the upholstery nozzle. This is great for car seats or carpeted stairways. This weird looking tool is the utility tool, mainly used for pet grooming and hair. And lastly, here we have the extension tubes, which fits any Kirby part and great for extending to reach higher places. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and please like or subscribe to my page. I would very much appreciate it. And have a great day. Bye.